Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to change your Mitsubishi Outlander Sport license plate bulb. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. First, make sure you have a replacement bulb, which is typically a number 2825 or W5W type. You might also find a small flathead screwdriver helpful, though often no tools are needed. Now let's get started by accessing the bulb. Locate the license plate light housing on the underside of your vehicle's tailgate. With a gentle but firm push, slide the entire housing towards the left or driver's side of the vehicle. Once it moves about 1/4 inch, you can carefully pull the housing straight down and out from its opening. This should expose the bulb socket. With the housing removed, you'll see the gray plastic bulb socket. To detach it, rotate the socket 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out from the housing. The old bulb is a miniature wedge base type. Simply pull it straight out of the socket. Now, take your new number 2825 or W5W bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it is fully seated. Almost done. Reinsert the bulb socket back into the housing, rotating it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it securely. Next, align the entire light housing with the opening in the tailgate. Gently push it back into place, sliding it to the right until you hear or feel it click securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights or press the unlock button on your key fob to confirm your new license plate bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.